Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna be sharing with you the best kept secret about the piano. And this secret, it's really not that much of a secret, and it is that the piano is unlocked the moment you learn how to play chords. And chords are very connected to scales. But before you run away, because you're like, no chords and scales, let me show you what I mean. Chords allow you to do that. They let you improvise. But they also let you play the songs that you love. I bow down to pray, trying to make the worst seem better. Lord, show me the way to cut through all this worn out leather. And all of that is possible because of chords. So let's take a look, because I want you to be able to go from this lesson and sit down at your piano and play something incredible immediately. So here's what you need to know. Number one, we're gonna learn a scale, C scale, super easy. Find C, it's the bottom of these two black keys here, that's C. So if you can play C, and then D, and then E, and then F, and then G, and then A, and then B, and then C, you have all of the ingredients that you need to play in the key of C. So all of these notes sound awesome over top of the chords that belong with the key of C. So that's point two, essentially, is we're gonna look at how to build a chord. So now you know your ingredients. We're gonna take our hand and we're gonna play our 1, our 3, and our 5 right here on C. And you can do this hands together. It gives us a C chord. We move everybody up a step, we have a D minor chord. We move everybody up a step, E minor, F, G, A minor. This is a B diminished, it's crunchy, don't worry about it right now, and C. And each and every one of these chords, we can give a name that is connected to a number. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Now here's what I want you to do. I want you to just play this. This is like a C chord without the middle. And I want to take your left hand and I want you to play C. And then we're gonna go to the 5th note of the C scale, which is G. Then we're gonna go to the 6th note, which is A. And then we're gonna go to the 4th note, which is F. What some say love, it is a river. I don't know, but see, we're already playing songs. So there's the 4, and the 5, and the 1. So, see, I could just get lost here for a really long time because I feel like this is just the beginning of everything. I'm having a musical moment. We're having a musical moment. And what we've done is we've learned a simple scale, we've learned how to build chords, and we've learned that chords have numbers attached to them. So you can take that one step further and you can play a full chord. Let's play the full chord here. And then we'll move everybody down to, let's go to the 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I could move up to G, but you could also move down to G. And then we're gonna move everybody up. We're gonna go to A minor. I'm just playing it 4 times here, and then down to F. And this is the pop chord progression that basically every pop song uses in some way, shape, or form. And you're playing songs now. So basically, we've been playing music for what? I don't know, 5 minutes? And the whole piano is already unlocked. So, in my opinion, the best kept secret is chords. You don't need to spend years and years studying classical piano. You don't need to go to school to study music theory. If you just want to sit down and make music, you can do that with a scale, the understanding of how chords are built, and a little bit of creativity and bravery, of course. So I hope this has been helpful. I hope you feel inspired. We've got so much more just like this inside of Pianote, so make sure you check that out. And most of all, happy practicing.